This is the second part of the video, how to decide if you should quit your job or not, as it gives you the important questions that you need to ponder during self-reflection. Because of course, I don't want you to regret your decisions. Time is clicking and we can't afford to waste our time. In that first video, I wanted you to think, why did you have that job in the first place and why are you thinking of quitting it now? Before deciding, I want you to calculate the risks and consequences of the sacrifices that you'll be making if you hit that goal. Everything that I discussed in the first video and on this second video boil down to the fact of how bad you really want to change your life. If you have weighed all your options, the pros and cons, and decided that you want to stay, then there's nothing wrong with that. Congratulations! Because that means you are improving, you are growing, and you are not stuck in the job that you are in today. Salamat ang pagkita!